Guys, so yesterday what I did is that I started playing with a new tool that's out in the system called, or in the AI world, called Dreambean AI. Okay, it's from Google, whereby it's like your personal PA system. You put all of your data systems to one integration, and you can make stories and personalize it into images and stuff. So I was playing around with it, and I said, you know what, let me give you all ideas, because maybe some of y'all don't know about the Dreambean AI, which is from Google. So let me just make y'all make a business from it. You can't just have a tool that's brand new in the system, as well as in the AI world, and not make money from it. You need to make money. Money. Hi guys, for those who don't know me, my name is Edlin Motamai. I am actually an AI coach, as well as I assist you in like starting a new business from scratch with AI tools. Okay, even if you have only the free tier because you're broke, we ain't got it. Even if you're broke, I'm the right channel for you. Okay, so therefore you must click on the button on the top whereby you subscribe, and therefore you will get all the information, even like private information of all the personal, stuff that I know how to create a business from scratch, especially if you are a person with no money, okay, with no money. Okay, now guys, for those who don't know me, I'm also an AI agent. I do AI automation for businesses. My information is on Google and on AI tools worldwide, whereby it's called the Mount Walkup Group, whereby I also got an AI app. You can go and check it out, where I assist businesses with the app, as well as Elite Chat, where I assist with sexual problems. You can also check me out on YouTube on Elite Chat, where I speak about sex. Okay, but it's only for adults only. Okay, now yeah, I'll put them all here, all the information you need. Also go check out the description regarding to my information, as well as in the stories. It is my digital products, where I've got 50 AI prompts for you to start your business and grow it. I've got 75 AI prompts, something prompts for y'all, in order for y'all to attract customers, as well as 10 beautiful unique apps for you to start, so you can earn and build and sell them. Yes, go and check them out. Okay. Guys, today I don't know what's going on. I'm in an all-time high. I got a lot of things to do, but let's go straight to the point. Okay, and also another thing, go check out my podcast too. Let's Fix It by Edlin Motamai. As I said, I'm going to write everything here. I promise. You will see, and then you can go check me out on those other, areas. Okay. Now, Google green beans. I'm saying green beans now. Dream beans, man. Why am I saying green beans? I'm thinking of green beans, potatoes, tomatoes. Well. Guys, I don't know what's going on with me these days. Ever since I've been video rising, I think you're making me too happy. You're making me too happy these days. Okay, now what happens with Dream Beans is that, as I explained it to you at first, this is what you're going to do with the tool in order for you to make money. The first thing you're going to do, you're going to open up an AI automation business just like me. But the thing is, you're going to do workflows. So therefore, you're going to assist customers to integrate all of their stuff onto one channel with a bot, in order for the bot to do things for them. Okay, you can sell the service, and then you must go check out the tool, the what you call Dream Beans tool, in order for you to like play around with it first to understand it, and then integrate the system, and then that's when you can render your services on Fiverr and Upwork. Another thing you can do is becoming an executive assistant. So say for instance, you got virtual assistant, like, freelancing experience, or you don't, and you want to be a VA, you can use the tool in order for it to workflow for you. Simple like that. Simple like that. If you want to be a travel courier system, whereby you want to do travel and tourism, and you're sitting at home with that degree, you can go ahead and use the same Dream Beans tool in order for you to create also a workflow, similar like an automation system, in order for you to give like a whole itinerary to your clients, okay? Especially if you want to open up, you want to start up with an AI travel agency, you can do that as well, okay? The last one you can do is that you can become a ghostwriter. You can become a ghostwriter, or you can do a publisher business, freelancing on Fiverr and Upwork, in order for you to make dollars. And you know how you're going to do that is with the dream being system, whereby you can ask it to write all your information that you need regarding to what the client asks, and then therefore you can go to Grammarly, you go check out your grammars, you know what I'm saying? You can't just give them bad English. Like sometimes I have bad English, you understand? You can't just go give a client bad English. You have to check on Grammarly AI, and therefore add your own words too, and then send it to the client too. And then you get paid maybe $25 to $30 an hour, you know what I'm saying? You can get paid that money, you know what I'm saying? So guys, it's that easy. It's that easy. Can you see how beautiful it is to have an AI tool? It does everything for you. So those are the 4 businesses you can start regarding to Dream Bean AI. It's a beautiful AI tool. I was enjoying it. I go and I'm going to give you a review for another tool soon, okay? I go and I test tools when they're new in the market, because I'm an AI business, I'm an AI service. I'm also in developing apps in AI, as well as I'm doing websites and stuff for clients from overseas. Do not mind the sounds, guys. Do not mind. I'm at home, okay? So it's a very beautiful thing. Go out and check out those 4 services that you can start on Fiverr and Upwork. And not only they're freelancing worldwide, you can do it regarding to the classifieds. You can put yourself, if you're South African on country, do those services, and you will see money, 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 money. Because you know the reason why a lot of people, especially in South Africa, a lot of people don't know about this AI thing. They're still learning it. So imagine, I get a lot of clients mostly from Europe, but therefore South Africans are trying to ask me about questions and things, but at the end of the day, you will be getting your money, okay? Your money, okay? Now, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please go and check out the Dream Bean AI tool from Google. One of the best tools in the markets right now. And another thing is that please subscribe. I'll highly appreciate it. Check out my digital products, as I've said. Go check me out on my podcast, as well as Elite Entertainment channel, which is on YouTube. All my information is here. Another thing is that also you can email me to mountwalkergroup@gmail.com. You can go and check out that email, and then you can send me any information you need regarding to AI, please, and services that we are speaking about here. Okay, and please make sure you do comment downstairs about how you feel about AI and the tool itself. Okay, bye guys.
Are you ready to host a podcast with me?
Let's go. Go check out our podcast every day at 6 p.m. on iHeartRadio and Spotify. We'll see you there.
Check out Let's Fix It by Edleen Motsamai podcast on iHeartRadio and Spotify.